Hello, welcome back to my channel. Since it is Holy Week, I decided to share with you a seafood recipe, which is one of my favorite actually, Tom Yum Tharay or seafood tom yum. The ingredients are squid, ring cut, prawns, peeled and deveined. Alam niyo yung parang black doon sa likod ng prawns or shrimp? Yun, kailangan talagang tinatanggal yun every time na magluluto tayo nun. Kasi, yun yung parang dumi nila. Dumi, pero vein, hindi ko alam. Basta yun. Pag pinil nyo na yung shrimp or yung prawns, wag nyo isasama yung parang pinaka-tail niya para yun yung hahawakan kapag kakainin. And, wag nyo rin itatapon yung ulo kasi medyo kailangan natin yan pampalasa. We will also need clams soaked in salted water. Around mga 2 hours at least. Medyo familiar ba yung ingredients? The same lang siya dun sa ginawa kong linguine de mare, diba? Link will be down below para ma-visit nyo din. Super sarap nun, promise. There's also lime and bird's eye chili. You can remove the seeds of the chili para hindi masyado maanghang. Pero kung bet nyo na maanghang, then keep it. Here, I used button mushroom sliced, or you can use shiitake mushroom kung gusto nyo. We'll also need fresh tomatoes, and of course, Kaffir Lime leaves, lemongrass, Galangal. Ang Galangal, parang siyang ginger yung texture niya. And my favorite, Cilantro. We will also be using a little bit of sugar and fish sauce later. So like what I've said kanina, itabi niya yung head ng prawns kasi gagamitin natin yung katas niya pampalasa. In a pan, parang fry lang natin siya and then parang tuturugan ganyan. Not exactly tuturugan, yung pipisain lang para makuha natin yung katas niya. Now in a pot, boil together your kaffir leaves, your galangal, and your lemongrass. Then add your mushroom and your tomatoes. Yan, ganyan. Haluin nyo lang siya, but you can keep it as it is. Hayaan nyo lang siyang mag-boil. Alam nyo, ang Filipino version ng tom yum is our sinigang. Medyo mas light lang yung asim niya compared to our sinigang. And mas aromatic. It's because of the spices na ginamit nila. And the cilantro. And then, you can add your clams. Obviously, kasi mas kailangan siyang lutuin compared to your prawns and squid, diba? Kaya, siya yung una nating ilalagay. Thai food is one of my favorite. Apart from the pad thai and tom yum, ang isa talaga sa favorite ko yung chicken in green curry sauce nila. Sobrang grabe, ang sarap. Isa yun sa paulit-ulit kong kinain na nag-visit ako sa Bangkok before. And Thailand is close to my heart kasi that is the first country na nag-travel ako alone. I forgot to mention kanina na we will also need the important ingredient ng Prik Pao or Thai chili sauce. It tastes like alamang but lighter and sweeter. So ayun na nga. Add a couple of tablespoons of Prik Pao sa pinapakuluan natin and a squeeze of lime. I used about 2 whole lime. Now, after that, pwede na natin idagdag yung prawns. It will take around 2 minutes. Okay na yan. Prawns and then squid. 2 minutes, done. Always remember, pag na-overcook, rubbery ang shrimp or prawns or squid mo. Then, add your cilantro, a little bit of fish sauce, and a little bit of sugar to taste. See, it's super simple and easy. Now you have your Tom Yum Tharay. Thank you, Mama Penny, for the recipe and for teaching me how to make this. I'm telling you guys, this recipe is authentic kasi Thai national talaga ang nagturo sa akin gumawa nito. I hope you can try this recipe this Holy Week. And I do hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. By the way guys, I need some loving from you. I'm on the road to reaching 500 subscribers, so please do help me. Thank you. Always remember guys, just cook it. Until my next video. Ta-ta!